All right, June 10th, 2022, Tyler Hayes here. 21s coming to you from Ladysmith. Southbound on the way, gate drop confirmed. Let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Let's go. Southbound on the way. Yes, 44. A tier 4 in it. Here they come. What? Not again! An MEI rebuild! 3124 now! GECX 2035. 644 AC. 2821 was in the second slot. Crude oil train. U260. To bring it up for the U260. What a pass for that. What a catch. So I'll do it for the U260, led by the MEI rebuild of CN 3124, 2821 second. And the rear DPU of ES44 AC 2889. It's gonna do it for that one. We'll do it for this video here in Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.